Hello and welcome everyone to Unacademy JEE English channel. Okay, today we are going to discuss some of the most important questions. Okay, since your board examinations are coming, so this lecture is going to be very important for all of you. Okay, we are going to discuss some of the most important questions from the topic probability. Okay, here I have included some of the 2-mark questions also, 4-mark questions also, and 6-mark questions also. Okay, so all together it will be useful for section A also, for C also, and D also. Fine, A, B, C, D, all the 4 sections it will be covering in this topic. Fine, so let us begin. Probability, most important questions for your CBSE board examination, right? If you are going to give this year, then this is very important video for all of you. Okay, let us start. So before we start, let me tell you something about myself. I am Nishant. I have done BTech from IIT Patna. I have 7+ years of teaching experience and mentored around like 5 lakh plus students. Okay, and you can follow us on our official page. This is our official page of Instagram. Also, you can download the Telegram app if you want to stay connected with us. Then just type tinyurl.com/JEE live chat in your browser and you will join in this group. Okay, Unacademy JEE group. Fine, there we keep on posting like photos and videos and other links also, so you can stay connected with us. Hi, how are you? Hriday is there online. Others, if you are watching, just write hi in the chat box. Whoever is watching this, today we are going to discuss most important questions for probability from CBSE. Okay, I am not well, but still have to come up with this topic because now very few days are left for your board exams. Okay, so if you are preparing for your board exams, then definitely this session will be very useful for all of you. So those who are there online, please write hi in the chat box if you can hear me, if everything is perfect. Yeah, you can see me, hear me, everything is fine. Okay, let us proceed. So here we have consolidated all the notes. Okay, whether you are in 11th or you are in 12th, if you want any notes or any lecture, then you can just go to this link and access all the lectures which are there on the channel. Fine. Also, let me tell you about some of the benefits that you will get about the Unacademy subscription. Okay, so the main benefit that you will get is you will get access to all the live classes which are happening. Okay, their live classes are happening for the revision of board exams also, plus for JEE also, and for JEE Advanced also. Okay, you can chat with the educator. Okay, you can discuss your doubts, whatever problems you are facing, you can discuss with them. Fine. Then there is interactive polls also, like one question will be posted in the session and then you can answer that question, and then there will be a leaderboard also where you will get to know what who got the correct answer and who got it first. Fine. And also you will get access to all India test series which is happening on the platform, on the Plus platform. Okay, so you will get access to that test series also, and plus there will be live doubt clearing sessions also. Like every 4th class in Unacademy is a doubt clearing class. Fine. So as you know guys, like all the best teachers of India, the top teachers which are there in India, 70+ teachers, they are already teaching on the Plus platform, so definitely you should join. Okay. Next is, like, if you want to get the subscription, okay, then first you need to install the app. After installing, you need to go here, Plus section, and then select your goal, which is IIT JEE, and then click on get subscription. After that, you will get a screen like this. Here you need to select your time period. Okay, like whether you want subscription for 1 month or for 12 months or 24 months. Accordingly, you can select your time period. Okay, ideally, let's say for example, if you are there in 11th standard, then you should go for 2-year subscription. Okay, if you are there in 11th standard and if you are thinking that I want to prepare for IIT JEE, then definitely you should go for 2-year subscription. If you are in 9th standard or 10th standard, okay, there are so many students which are studying with us. They are in 9th and 10th, and they are targeting to complete their entire syllabus of 11th and 12th before they finish 10th itself. Okay, like so many, if you see the toppers also, right, they already complete the syllabus beforehand itself. So if you are in 9th and 10th, then also you can go for 2-year subscription, and definitely you can complete your 12th standard syllabus, and you can, like in 10th only, you can complete the 12th standard syllabus. Okay, and don't forget to use the code NVLIVE. If you use this code, then you will get maximum possible discount. Okay, you will get maximum possible discount of 10%, and after that the prices will be something like this. Recently there is a big price drop which has happened. Okay, after that the price is 35,100, and guys, if you calculate the per day price, okay, it is around 40 to 50 rupees a day. Okay, this is for 2 years. So if you calculate per day price, it is very minimum. Okay, like 40 to 50 rupees. In that you are getting maths also, physics also, chemistry also, doubt clearing also, and test series also. Okay, normally like 40-50 rupees we spend in going to coaching and coming back. Okay, so this is very minimum price, and don't forget to use the code NVLIVE to get the discount. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to use the code, and we'll start with the lecture. So this is the first question which is there. Okay, all of you have joined. This is the first question which is there. This question can come up for 2 marks, and this is very important question. Okay, so you should definitely know the solution of this type of question if it is asked in section B. Okay, 2 marks. So E and F are 2 independent events. Okay, then we need to prove that mathematically we have to prove that E and F dash are independent. Okay, so I'll be doing first part and third part because first and second are almost the same. Okay, so what is the concept? Okay, I'm not well, but still I'll try. Okay, so just bear with me. Okay, if my voice is very bad, I'm sorry. Okay, so E and F are independent events. Okay, so what is the concept? If 2 events are independent, then what can we say? If 2 events are independent, so first let me write down given. Whenever you are writing in board exams, your presentation also should be very good. Then only you will get complete marks. Okay, so first write down what is given. E and F are independent, so that means we can write probability of E intersection F. This will be equal to PE multiplied by PF. This is the concept. Okay, if 2 events are independent, then E intersection F will be PE into PF. Now what is to prove? What is the thing that we want to prove? Okay, so E intersection F dash, this must be equal to PE into P of F dash. This is what we want to bring. Okay, this is what we want to prove it. Fine, so we can start from LHS. Let's start from left hand side. What is LHS? E intersection F dash. Okay, now this will be equal to what? So for this you need to draw Venn diagram. How to draw Venn diagram, you know? Like this is universal set, this is E, and this is F. Okay, so this is E, this is F. Now identify the region. We want E intersection F dash. E intersection F dash. So which is that region? That region is this. Okay, inside E and outside F. So this is the region. Okay, so this region, can we also write this as? We can also write this as P of E union F. Okay, E union F is this full region minus PF. If we remove PF, okay, probability of F. So if we remove this region from E union F, is that the same thing? Yeah, you are getting it. Say yes if you are getting. E union F is this full region minus PF. So we will get the same region. Yeah. So after this, what is the formula for this? This formula is PE plus PF minus P of E intersection F. This is the formula for P of E union F minus PF. Okay, so this and this will get cancelled. So after this, what we will get? After this, we will get P of E, and here minus, this is nothing but PE multiplied by PF. So now take PE common. If we take PE common, 1 minus PF, and that is nothing but PE multiplied by P of F dash. Hence proved. Understood? All of you, first part is clear to all? Yes or no? First part is very easy. You can just solve it by doing this. Just you have to draw the Venn diagram, and if you write this much, then definitely you will get 2 marks. Okay, any one part they will ask in 2 marks, not all the 3 parts. Because all the 3 parts were same, so I mentioned all together only. But one part will be 2 marks, like this is 2 mark, or maybe they might ask this, or maybe they might ask this. All of them are 2 marks. Understood, all of you? Sachin is there, Mayur is there, Karan is there, Manik is there, Guddu is there. All of you are getting? Yeah. Now let me tell you the third part also. E dash intersection and F dash. Okay, so that part. So again, what is given? I'll write it over here. What is given? It is given in the question that E and F are independent. So P of E multiplied by P of F. This, and what is to prove? To prove is E dash intersection F dash. This is equal to E dash into P of F dash. This. Okay, so we'll write down the proof. We will start from LHS again and then draw the Venn diagram. Okay, so what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram, I'll draw it here. So this is E, this is F. Okay, this is universal set. Now we want this region, E dash intersection F dash. So which is that region? E dash intersection F dash. So that is this outside region. Okay, outside region. So what can we, if we rearrange this, okay, what can we write? So this is nothing but universal set. So what is the probability of universal set? That is 1 only. The whole rectangle, that is 1. Okay, so this you can simply write it as 1 minus P of E union F. This much is okay. Probability of the entire rectangle universal set, that is 1. Understood? So after that we can write it like this. So this is 1 minus, and here use the formula. So that is PE plus PF minus P of E intersection F. This. Now this is 1 minus PE minus PF plus this is PE into PF. Okay, now take common over here. So this is 1 minus PE minus PF common. So again you will get 1 minus PE. So this will get factorized. Okay, so finally it is 1 minus PE and multiplied by, this will be 1 minus P of F. Okay, so finally the answer is P of E dash multiplied by P of F dash. Okay, this is clear? Fine. So this is your solution. Note it down. Okay, note down this much, then we will go to the next question. So till here anybody has any doubt? Till here anybody has any doubt? No? No doubt till here? Today was physics exam. No, PHE exam, physical. Okay, next question. Next question is this. Okay, this was asked for 4 mark. Okay, 4 mark question in probability. So how to solve this kind of question? Read the question once. Okay, all of you go through the question once. In a game, a man wins ₹5 for getting a number greater than 4. Okay, so if he gets a number greater than 4, then he will win ₹5. Okay, and otherwise he loses ₹1. Okay, so if it is less than equal to 4, then he will lose ₹1. So minus 1. Okay, now when a fair die is thrown, a man decides to throw a die thrice. Okay, he has decided to throw the dice 3 times, thrice, but to quit as and when he gets a number greater than 4. Okay, as and when he gets a number greater than 4, then he will quit, like he will take his ₹5 and go. He is satisfied. Okay, so as and when he gets more than 4, he will stop over there only, he will not play further. Find the expected value. See, expected value means mean. Okay, you just have to find out mean. This is like the probability distribution table you have to make. After making that table, then you need to find out mean. Okay, so what is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? Greater than 4 means 5 and 6. So probability will be 2 divided by 6, which is 1 divided by 3. And probability of getting number less than equal to 4, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here probability will be 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. Now how many cases are possible? How many cases are possible? I will write it over here. So let's say first case is directly he is throwing the dice for the first time, and in first time only he got a number greater than 4. Okay, first time only he got a number greater than 4. So first time, after first time only he will quit. Okay, in this case how much rupees he will get? He will get ₹5 plus 5. Or second case can be first time he got number less than equal to 4, so minus 1, and in second throw he got greater than 4, so he will get plus 5. This is second case. Third case can be he got first less than equal to 4, then again he got less than equal to 4, and then he got greater than 4. And one more case can be in all the 3 tosses he got less than equal to 4, less than equal to 4, less than equal to 4. So in this case how much rupees he will get? In this case he will get -1, -1, and this is plus 5. Here he will get -1, -1, -1. Okay, so what are the possible values of amount that he can win? That is x. Okay, that is our random variable. So that is x, and then you have to write down, like you have to make the table. Okay, so then P of x. So what is the amount that he can get? In this case he is getting, in this case he got 5, in this case he got ₹4, in this case he got 3, and in this case he got -3. Okay, so these are the possible values of amount that he can win. Okay, -3 means he is losing ₹3. In this case he is gaining ₹5. Okay, now we need to write down the probabilities. Like in this case, what is the probability? First throw and he got greater than 4. So greater than 4 is 1 by 3. So here you have to write 1 by 3. Okay, probability. In first throw only he got a number which is greater than 4. Now here second case, first case he is getting less than equal to 4, and then on the second throw he is getting greater than 4. So here this will be 2 by 3 and then 1 by 3. Okay, so you will get 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. Then here it will be 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Everything you have to multiply. And here it will be 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So this is P of X. Okay, and then we want to find out mean. So how do we find out mean? Okay, for finding mean you have to multiply like xi into pi or pi into xi. So just multiply this. So this will be 5 by 3. Then here you will get 8 by 9. Okay, then this is how much? 4 into 3. So 12 divided by 27. Okay, 12 divided by 27, and this will be 3 will get cancelled. So you can write minus 8 by 9. Okay, minus 8 by 9. This also, here also you can cancel 3 and 3. So basically it will become 4 by 9. Okay, so instead of this is 4 by 9, this is 8 by 9, this is minus 8 by 9, and this, if we multiply, divide by 3, so 15 by 9. Now add everything, that will be the mean. Okay, sorry, add everything, that will be the mean. So you need to add all this. So if we add all this, this and this will get cancelled. So 15 minus 4, so that is 11. Okay, so 11 by 9, something like this. This will be the expected value. Getting it? This will be the expected value. Sorry, 11. This will be plus 15 plus 4, so 19 by 9. Okay, not 11 by 9. You need to add them. So 19 by 9 is your expected value. Okay, this is the amount that he is expected to win. 19 divided by 9. Okay, so expected value means simply the mean. You just have to find out the mean, and for mean the formula is like, if I give you the formula, that is sigma pi xi. Simply that's it. So you just find out pi xi and add all the numbers which are there in that column. Okay, add all the numbers that are there in that column. Fine, this is okay. Chalo, next question. You see that also. So next question is over here. So there are A and B, they throw a die alternatively. Okay, this kind of questions are also very important for your board exams. So alternatively they are throwing the dice till one of them gets a number greater than 4, and whoever gets the number greater than 4, that person will win. Okay, and here it is given that A starts the game. So first throw will be made by A. Okay, then find the probability that B will win. Okay, whoever gets a number greater than 4 will win. So let's say, what are the cases over here? Just you have to make the cases. Okay, this type of questions are very, very important for your board exams. Okay, so what are the cases? Like case 1. Case 1 can be, since A is starting and we want B to win. Okay, I am calculating the probability that B will win. So first case, let's say A is throwing, A did not get a number greater than 4, so A bar, and then B got a number greater than 4, so B. This is first case in which B can win. Second case can be like this: A did not get, B also did not get, A did not get, then B got. This is the second case. Third case can be A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, A bar, then again B, and so on. And this will continue till infinite number of trials. Okay, infinite number of values will be there. Now in this case, what is the probability? In first case, like A is not getting a number greater than 4. So what is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? So greater than 4 means 5 and 6. Okay, so 2 divided by 6, which is 1 divided by 3. So what is the probability of not getting a number greater than 4? Like bar. Okay, so not getting a number greater than 4 will be 2 by 3. Okay, so here not getting a number greater than 4 by 3, greater than 4, that is 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Here this will be 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 will come 3 times and then 1 by 3. Here 2 by 3 will come 5 times and then 1 by 3, and so on. And then you have to add everything. So if you add everything, you will get an infinite GP. Can you see that? You will get an infinite GP. So infinite GP, what is the first term? Like if we add everything, so the formula is A by 1 minus R. Okay, so first term is 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus R. What is R? Common ratio. So every time we are multiplying by 2 by 3 the whole square. Okay, so this. So everything will get cancelled. Finally the answer will be 2. 9 will get cancelled. 9 minus 4, so 5. So 2 by 5 is the answer. Okay, so the probability that B will win is 2 by 5. Now if in question, if they ask that what is the probability that A will win, you can also do 1 minus probability that B will win. So that is 1 minus 2 by 5. So that will be 3 by 5. So who has more chances of winning? The one which is throwing the die first. Okay, so if at all, if you play a game like this, you need to throw first. then you have more chances, like 60% chances of winning, and this guy has 40% chances of winning. Okay, so maths with practical experience I'm giving you. Okay, so if at all, if you do something like this, then go first. Understood? So this is the question, important question for board exams. Note it down. Then we will go to the next question. You guys are understanding or not? Sir, I am eagerly waiting for 6 o'clock. Okay. So guys, we are doing revision for board exams on our special classes also. Okay, special classes are going on the app. If you log in and if you see, you will see over there. Okay, special classes for revision of board exams is going on. We have completed integration, 3D, vectors, so many chapters. The remaining chapters we are going to do it over there only. Fine, on the plus on the Unacademy's app. Okay, if you go there, you will see. You can find my user ID also, which is VORA1310. VORA1310. You can follow me there also. VORA1310. Okay. Okay, next question. So next question is this: a box contains 3 red and 5 black. This is the box. Okay, a box contains 3 red and 5 black. A ball is drawn at random, its color is noted down, and it is returned to the box. Okay. Moreover, 2 additional balls of the same color are put in the box. Okay, without replacement. Then after that you are taking out 2 balls at random from the box without replacement. Then find the probability that both the balls are of red color. So here, see, they are asking about something about the end result. Okay, something what is happening at the end. So this is the question of total probability theorem. Okay, so first of all, we need to draw the tree diagram. Okay, so for the first ball, we are taking out 1 ball, right? A ball is drawn. A ball is drawn at random. So 1 ball is drawn. So that can be of red color also. That can be of black color also. 2 cases are there. Okay, so when you are drawing the diagram, tree diagram, red and black. Okay, so what is the probability of getting red? Red will be 3 by 8 and black will be 5 by 8. Okay, this ball is returned to the box and 2 more balls are put. Okay, after that we want to find out the probability of getting both the balls of red color. So here I want red. Okay, so after this you can get red, or after this also you can get red. Okay, now after this, what will be the number of balls inside the box? Here we got red, so that means number of red balls will increase by 2. Okay, initially it was 3 red and 5 black, so now it will be how much? Now it will be 5 red and 5 black in this case. And in this case we will add 2 black balls. Okay, inside this. So 3 red and 5 black were there, so now 7 black. Okay, now we want 2 red, and that is without replacement. Okay, without replacement means what will be the probability? Like here you will get 5 divided by 10 for the first red. First red is 5 by 10. Second red will be 4 by 9. Understanding? Second red is 4 by 9. Here first red is 3 by 10 and second red is 2 by 9. This. And since we want to find out the probability of the end result, this is right. Finally we want 2 red. Okay, so if they are asking about something what is happening at the end, like the final result, then this is the question of total probability. Okay, so here finally the answer will be like the probability of getting both red. So that will be nothing but you just need to add this branch and add this branch. Okay, so answer will be 3 by 8 into 5 by 10 into 4 by 9 plus here you will get 5 by 8 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 10 into 2 by 9. So this. Okay, so this is how much? 15, 4, 60 plus this is 30 divided by 720. So this is 90 by 720, which is 1 by 8. Okay, so finally the answer will be 1 by 8. Understood all of you? And how to write this in exam? Like directly you can't start writing like this. Okay, in exam if this question is asked, then first of all you have to define the events, okay, which are there. So what are the events over here? You can always take this event as E1. This one you can take it as E2, and this event you can take it as E. Okay, so E1, E2, E. And how to write in exam? See over here. So first of all you have event E1, then you have E2, and then finally we have E. So what is E1? E1 is the event that getting a red ball. When you are drawing it for the first time, that time getting a red ball. So getting red on the first draw, that is event E1. And event E2 is getting black ball in the first draw. okay, and E is getting 2 reds in the second draw, okay. So that is E1, E2 and E. After that we want to find out probability of E. So you need to write it like this: P of E intersection E1 plus P of E intersection E2. So this is nothing but P of E1 multiplied by, just use the formula, okay, E1 given E and plus E2 multiplied by E2 given E. Now what is the value of P of E1? P of E1 is this 3 by 8, okay. So this value is 3 by 8, and P of E1 given E, okay, P of E1, sorry, this will be P of E given E1, okay, and here it will be E given E2, formula mistake, okay. So here P of E given E1 means E1 has already occurred. Now find out the probability of E. E1 has already occurred, so that will be this value, 5 by 10 into 4 by 9. So 5 by 10 into 4 by 9, and plus here probability of E2. E2 is this 5 by 8, okay, and then 3 by 10, 2 by 9. So 5 by 8, then 3 by 10 and 2 by 9. So this much you have to write in exam, and after that finally you can write answer is 1 by 8. Yes, okay. इंटीग्रेशन ने जान खा रखी है. इंटीग्रेशन का यार देख लो ना, like morning, if you come to the special classes which we are doing, okay, if you come to special classes which we are doing, okay, every day morning 10 AM and evening 6 PM we are doing special classes on the Unacademy's platform. So there if you come, I think integration ka jo, like whatever problem you are having, it will be solved, okay. Yes, okay, let's go to the next question. Next question is this. So bag 1 is there. Bag 1 we have 4 red and 5 black. Bag 2 we have 3 red and 4 black, and then one ball is transferred. One ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2, okay. So from here we are taking out one ball and it is transferred to bag 2, and then from bag 2 we are taking out 2 balls, okay. After this, from this bag we are drawing out 2 balls, and then it is given that both are found to be black, okay, both are found to be black. So here the balls which we are getting, both of them are black. So that means this is the question of Bayes theorem. If the end result is given, okay, finally whatever is happening that is given, and they will ask something about which ball was transferred, then this is the question of Bayes theorem, okay. So Bayes theorem, what is the concept? After that you just have to draw the tree diagram, same thing. So the first ball which is transferred, that might be either red or it might be black. It can be red also, it can be. So what is the probability of getting red from this bag? Red is 4 by 9. Yeah, total number of balls are 9, and here this is 5 by 9. Okay, let's say red ball is transferred. So now how many reds will be there? Now here it will be 4 red and 4 black. Yes, if one red ball is transferred, and then after that we want black, and this is without replacement, okay. So what will be the probability for the first black? First black is how much? Like 4 red are there, 4 black are there. So first black will be 4 divided by 8, and second black will be 3 divided by 7. We are not replacing it back, so number of balls will become less. And now here in this case one black was transferred. So now if black was transferred, it will be 3 red and 4 are already there, so 5 black, okay. First black will be how much? What is the probability for getting first black? So 5 divided by 8, and then second one will be 4 divided by 7. So this is the diagram. Now they are asking find the probability that the transferred ball was black. So which is the favorable case? Transferred ball was black, so that means this is your favorable case, black wala, okay. So that will come in the numerator. So final answer will be 5 by 9 into 5 by 8 into 4 by 7 divided by the total. Total is 4 by 9 into 4 by 8 into 3 by 7 plus 5 by 9 into 5 by 8 into 4 by 7, okay. But before this also you have to write like 2-3 steps. That also I will tell you, okay. If you solve this, you will get your answer. By solving this you will get your answer, but before this you have to write some steps. What are the steps? You have to define the events. If you want full marks, you definitely have to define the events. So what are the events? This event you can take it as E1, this one you can take it as E2, and this one is E. Now it is already given that both the balls which are found are black. So this event has already occurred. E has already occurred. Okay, so how will we write in exam? Like E has already occurred, so given E, and which for which event we want to find the probability that the transferred ball is black, so that is E2. Okay, we want to find out the probability of E2, so this is what they are asking in the question. So what is the formula for this? Formula for this is E2 intersection E divided by P of E. Now what is the formula for E2 intersection E? So that you can write it as probability of E2 multiplied by probability of E given E2, and here P of E, that is total probability, so that we can write as P of E1 into probability of E given E1 plus P of E2 into probability of E given E2. So this, and after this you can write this step. Okay, after this you can just substitute the values, you will get the answer. Anybody is understanding? Yes or no? Just tell me yes or no. This question was about Bayes theorem. So once again I am saying, okay, whenever they are asking about end result, see in this question, what was the question? The question is find out that the probability that both the balls which are drawn are of red color. So they are asking about something what is happening at last. Okay, like the probability that last, the end result, okay, that is both of them are red. Understood? And here they are asking about something what is happening in between. So if they are asking about something what is happening in between, like the transferred ball was black and end result is already given, okay, that finally we got two balls and both of them are black. Understood? So this end result is given and they are asking about something what is happening in between, then this is the question of Bayes theorem, and the previous one was the question of total probability theorem. And how to write in exam is also clear. If the question is of Bayes theorem, you have to write this and then finally substitute the values. Okay, and if it is a question of total probability, then you have to write this you can directly, like you can remember also, always you have to write this only and then you have to substitute values. And in Bayes theorem questions, always you have to write this only and then you have to substitute the questions. But for tree diagram, I don't think you will get any marks. Okay, that you can do it in fair, at least whoever is checking the paper, he'll get to know you are understanding something. But for tree diagram, there is no marks in board exams. Okay, so you can draw it, but for your own reference. Okay, it is not for marks. Marks you will get by defining the events and writing down the formulas and then finally calculating. Okay, so defining the events, first of all you have to write here, okay, what is E1, what is E2, what is E. So E1 is that red ball was transferred, E2 is black ball was transferred, E is that finally on the second draw we got both of them as black. Okay, after that you have to use the formula. So 1 mark for this, 1 mark for using the formula, 1 mark for calculation and 1 mark for the final answer. Okay, 4 marks. Understood this question? Okay, let's go to the next question. This question is of 2 marks, but this was repeated for like every alternate year they ask this kind of question. Okay, so the question is like this: how many times a fair coin should be tossed so that probability of getting at least one head is more than 80%? This is very interesting question. Can you tell the answer? Someone try at least. Easy 2 mark question, but still it is very important. Try this question first. Chalo, let me give you some time also. Chalo, 1 minute. 2 mark question, 1 minute. Let's see if anybody is able to answer. We have to find out the value of n, like how many times we should toss the coin so that probability of getting at least one head is more than 80%. Interesting question for 2 marks. Anyone? Try. If you want a hint, I'll give you a hint also. Just assume that we will toss the coin for n number of times. Okay, like let us assume. Okay, let us assume that we will toss the coin n number of times, and we want at least one head. Okay, at least one head. Okay, we want at least one head. Okay, at least one head means minimum one head must be there. So if we are tossing the coin n number of times, out of that we want minimum one head. Okay, so at least one head, you can also write it like this, like total, we will subtract from the total. Okay, so total minus probability of getting no head. This case we will remove it, na? Total minus probability of getting no head, yes or no? At least one head is same as total number of cases minus probability of getting no head. Total probability is 1 minus probability of getting no head. So basically it's like this: 1 2 3 4 5 dot 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 n number of times you are tossing the coin. Okay, n number of times you are tossing the coin and you are not getting any head. No head means everything is tail. So here also tail, here also tail, here also tail, everything is tail. If everything is tail, that means this probability will be, and it is a fair coin, so probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. How many times? N number of times. So probability of getting no head or tail everywhere, that is 1 by 2 raised to n. This is okay, 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to n, and this quantity should be more than 80%, so greater than 0.8. This much is okay. Yeah, now just solve this. So 1 minus 0.8 is greater than 1 by 2 power n. Okay, so basically this is 0.2 greater than 1 by 2 power n. Now you just have to find out the value of n by using heat and trial. You can use, okay, like 1 by 2 raised to n should be less than 0.2. Okay, so if I substitute n as 1, I'll get 1 by 2 here. Okay, left hand side, 1 by 2 is 0.5, which is greater than this. Substitute n as 2, so I'll get 1 by 4, which is 0.25. Still it is greater than this. If I substitute n as 3, so 1 by 8, which is 0.125, and this is less than this, so n equal to 3 is the answer. Okay, n equal to 3 is the answer. Understanding? Because 0.125, this quantity is less than 0.2. Fine. So you need to toss the coin for 3 times, so that probability of getting at least one head will be more than 80%. 80% means 0.8 probability. Understood, all of you? Yes, interesting question, one of its kind for board exams, important also. Okay, so if this kind of question comes, you can thank me later after the board exam. Okay, hello, next question. Yeah, this is the next question. Next, this type of question I think already we did one, so now you try. In a game, a man wins ₹5 for a 6. Okay, if he gets a 6, he will win plus 5. Okay, and loses ₹1, so minus 1 rupee for any other number. Okay, so for any other number, minus 1 rupee. When a fair die is thrown, a man decides to throw a die thrice. Okay, man decides to throw a die thrice, but to quit as and when he gets a 6. If he gets a 6, he will take his 5 rupees and he will be satisfied. He will go. Okay, so as and when he gets a 6, he will quit. Okay, he will stop playing the game. Now find the expected value. Expected value means mean. So again you have to make a table and then find out the expected value, which is mean. Fine. So what are the possible cases? Like 3 times he is playing. So first cases, in first trial itself he got a 6. Okay, like in first trial itself he got a 6, so there only he will quit. This is one case. Second case is, in first trial he did not get a 6, second trial he got a 6. Okay, this is second case. Third case can be, did not get a 6, did not get a 6, and then he got a 6. Okay, this is third case. And fourth case can be, did not get a 6, did not get a 6, did not get a 6. So in first case, how much rupees he will get? For in this case he will get 5 rupees. Yeah, plus 5. In this case it is minus 1 plus 5. This is minus 1 plus 5. This is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So what are the possible values of x? X is the amount. Okay, x is the amount. So possible values, x can be 5, or it can be 4, or it can be 3, or it can be minus 3. Okay, this much is okay. Yeah, it can be. Okay, then after this, what is xi? Probability. Probability will be like getting a 6. What is probability of getting a 6? Probability of getting a 6 is 1 by 6, and here not getting a 6, so that is 5 by 6, and then getting a 6, so 1 by 6. Okay, then here 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 1 by 6, and then there we will get 5 by 6 power 3. So this, and then after this we have to find pi xi. So just multiply both the columns. Okay, so if we multiply, what we will get? This into this. So 5 by 6, here you will get 20 by 36. This will be 25 into 3, so 75 by 216. Okay, and 125 into 3, so I think that's 375 and divided by 216, and then you have to add everything. Okay, so whatever you get here, that will be mean. So just add all the values and then you will get the answer. Fine. So because the formula for mean is sigma pi xi. So this column is pi xi, then find sigma. Sigma means summation. So if you find the summation, you will get the answer. Yes or no? Understood, all of you? Yes. Hello, next question. Next question is this. Two numbers are selected at random. Okay, and without replacement from the first 6 positive integers. Okay, positive integers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. From this you have to select any two numbers. X denotes the larger of the two numbers. Okay, whichever number is larger, that is x. Okay, sir, not understood, please help. Which question? Previous one? This one? This question you are asking? Vidhi Sachadeva. See, in this question there are 4 cases. Okay, 4 cases, like what are the 4 possible cases? Because he is taking 3 trials. Okay, he will throw the die for 3 times. Okay, but if he gets a 6, he will quit. So what are the possibilities? Like first trial only he got a 6, first trial he did not get, but second he got a 6, then first he did not get, second also he did not get, so third he got a 6, and then fourth case is he is not getting 6, not getting 6, not getting 6. All 3 he is losing. Okay, so these are the cases. Now how much money he will get? Like if it is the first case, he will get 5 rupees. In this case, what is the total? -1 plus 5, so that is 4. Okay, then -1 plus 5, so that is 3, and here -1 -1, so that is -3. Now we want to find out the probabilities. Okay, so for probabilities, he is getting a 6. What is probability of getting a 6? If we are throwing a dice. Okay, like probability, what are the possible numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so probability of getting a 6 will be 1 by 6, and probability of not getting a 6, that will be 5 by 6, like the remaining 5 numbers. Understood? So after this, like 5 into, here the probability will be 1 by 6. Like first trial itself he got a 6, then here first trial he did not get a 6, so 5 by 6 and then 1 by 6. Here 5 by 6, 5 by 6, then 1 by 6, and here all of them are 5 by 6. So we got these 2 columns. Now you have to multiply them, like multiply this, multiply this, multiply this, multiply this. So this into this is 5 by 6, this into this is 20 by 36, this into this is 75 by 216, and this into this is -375 by 216, and then you have to add all this. Okay, make the denominator same and add. So whatever you get finally, that will be your answer. Fine. Okay. Hello, and then this is the last question. So I suggest you do this question as homework and post the answer on the comments. Okay, so this will be your homework question. Fine. So just do this question, solve it. This is also very, very important for your board exams. If this comes in exam, then you can thank me later, as I said. Fine. Very important question. So just solve it. Mean is also asked and variance is also asked. Okay, that's why this becomes a 6-mark question, not 4 mark, 6 mark. Okay. So that was your homework question, and answer this in the comments. Okay, not the chat, comments. Okay, so that is it from my side. So if you guys are planning to get the subscription, our batches are starting very soon. Okay, like for 11th standard, for 12th standard, for droppers. Okay, our batches are going to start in mid-May or around the like March end. Not May, sorry, March. Okay, March, mid of March or end of March. Definitely the batches will start. Okay, so don't be late and join very soon. Okay, prices are very minimum, like 35,100 for 2 years and 27,000 for 1 year. And don't forget to use the code NVLIVE to get maximum possible discount. Okay. Sir, how to connect with you? You can just search my user ID on Unacademy, okay, on the app or on the website. So username is Vora1310. VORA1310. Okay, so yeah, so if you like this video, okay, then subscribe the channel, share it with your friends using the hashtag JEE Live Daily. Okay, so don't forget to share, like the video, give it a thumbs up. And this is the list of all the channels that we have. Okay, NEET, JEE Foundation, JEE English. Mostly I will be available on JEE English and JEE. Okay, and the entire team of Unacademy, we are on a mission, and that mission is known as let's crack it. Okay, so let's crack it, guys. Let's crack it together. Okay, so that is it from my side. This is my code. Don't forget to use the code, and this is your NV sir signing off. Bye.